Hey guys, what's up? This is Brent with BJ and Motor Co. It's been a while since I posted some videos up here. Been working night shift and been trying to get used to the sleeping schedule. But want to toss some videos up. Wanted to do a couple of Adams polish reviews. I did a mystery bucket review and it went over pretty well. Had a lot of good products that I've been using, and so this time I bought two of the Adams polish mystery boxes, and we'll check out what we got. One of them already opened up. Kind of looked through a little bit. The other one I'll open up and it'll be a mystery to me, just like it is here on this video, and we'll go through and see what I got here. All right, here we go. Open the first mystery box. Just a nice smaller box there, but it's got quite a bit of stuff in it. First things I pulled out here is, of course, the sprayers for all the bottles that you get. Looks like what there's 4 there. Next is a 2-pack of waterless wash towels. Seem to be pretty nice. Looks like $16.99 is what they usually cost for 2 of them. We got a borderless gray plush towel, $8.99 retail there, and then a 2-pack of the edgeless utility, kind of just real soft microfiber. What's a 2-pack there for $9.99? And let's start in the box here and see what we got going on. First off, it would be the waterless watch itself. I've never used this product. Don't use stuff like this a lot of times. I'm always worried about, causing more swirls, scratches, and stuff like that. So I tend to stay away from it. I know a lot of people's had, a lot of luck with them. I think a lot of it comes down to is just, changing the towel out often, using plenty of the product to, keep the paint lubricated and the vehicle not being that dirty. But most of the time I either, hand wash the truck or I'll just use spray detailer. But probably, similar there. But so, it might be something I use down the road. Give it a try. Next is the Eco All-Purpose Cleaner. That's a good product. I got it in the mystery bucket that I got earlier this year. Good product overall. I've used it up at the car lot. Seems to do, a good job on I spot clean interiors and stuff like that. So next up is the Ceramic Boost. Absolutely love this stuff. I got a smaller bottle in the mystery bucket, and it's almost completely gone. I use it all the time. Water beads off the stuff, awesome. So I'm super excited with that. And what else I got here? Got some wheel cleaner. I've never tried their wheel cleaner before, so I'm looking forward to trying that as well. The truck's super dirty right now. The weather's kind of been a little crappy with fall on board here, so you see my wheels and stuff. Definitely the dirtiest I think my truck's ever been since I've had it, so it could use a cleaning with most of these products here. Last but not least, let's see here. It is a little wheel cleaner brush, or I guess you can use it for multiple things, but nice little handle brush there. Looks like something that wouldn't scratch your wheels up or anything like that, so I may have to give that a shot. And let's move on to box 2. At the end, I'll add it all up. I'll get a total cost of what I paid for the mystery boxes and everything that came with them. What the value was and how I came out on it. So stay tuned. We'll open up the other box now. Okay, I'm back here on to box number 2. I had to just look it up again. I guess these small boxes here, the mystery boxes this time, were $29.98 a piece. And I believe it was $8 flat shipping, sales tax, whatever. So I mean, you're looking probably $35 a piece, $70 total. But anyways, let's see what we got here. First off, got looks like a microfiber applicator there, sponge. Put some products on. A couple sprayers. Let's see, another applicator there. And first off is the buttery wax. Seen a lot of reviews online about the buttery wax. Seems like a lot of people use the crap out of it. Her smells real well, does a good job. I will probably use this on my daily driver out there. You can use a nice wax job, cleaned up a little bit, so that'll be a good product to use on it. And it'll be an excellent review because it doesn't have much of a wax job on it at all versus my truck. It's kind of hard testing reviews on it anymore because it stays pretty slick. Okay, next, a couple more sprayers. And we have a double soft polishing towel. Definitely, they're double plush, they're double soft stuff towels, really flush. It's like the cost about $14.99 normally. Let's move on to the next thing here. Glass cleaner. Haven't used their glass cleaner yet, so I'm not real familiar with that. Haven't read any reviews on glass cleaner. Next up, Tire Shine. I haven't used their Tire Shine either. I've actually used their more of their sealant for the tires that's supposed to guarantee no fling. I think it's EGT or ETG or something like that, or EGR, something like that. I'd have to look up what it is, but that product seems to work excellent. So if it works anything like this, the Tire Shine works anything like it, it'll definitely be good. Next up, another thing of waterless wash. Well, I guess hopefully it works well because it looks like I got plenty of it between the two. And that was it on this one. So I'll do a quick lineup here. Glass cleaner, wireless wash, Tire Shine, and the Butterly Wax. Got them 4 products there. And the applicators, I'm guessing obviously the wax applicator there. Tire Shine there as well. And a couple sprayer heads, and then of course something to wipe the wax off with. So not bad for 35 bucks. Got a couple duplicates, but that's not a big deal. I end up using the stuff either here on my own stuff or at the car lot, so not a big deal. But I think for a total of 35 bucks a piece, it's hard to go wrong with rolling the dice, trying some new products. A lot of times I wouldn't randomly try these products, and they throw them in there. So if I got them, already paid for them, I might as well try them, and then I end up really liking the product. So it works out pretty cool. So every time they usually have a mystery box, or last time was the mystery bucket. I scored really well in the mystery bucket last time. I believe it was like $160 worth of stuff, and I think I paid like 80 or 90 bucks if I remember right. But I'll tally up some of the numbers here, see what they normally cost, and I'll get back to you. Math didn't go into a lot of detail on the products and costs, but it looks like I got about $83 worth of stuff on my first mystery box. Second mystery box, probably closer to the $60 mark. Of course, that's with no discounts. A lot of times they'll do 10, 15, 20% off. So regardless how you look at it, still coming out ahead with the mystery boxes. Some do better than others. And I've heard of some people, I don't know about the mystery boxes, but like the mystery buckets, the ones that are a little more expensive, here and there getting a polisher or something worth, a lot more value. But overall, I will continue to purchase them because good way to get products, like I said, that I normally probably wouldn't try. But overall, I'm happy with the products they've sent me and their products in general, and I'll continue to use them. But thanks for checking out my video. Make sure to subscribe, and I'll keep more videos coming more frequently now that I got my sleeping schedule a little bit under control, and continue to watch. Thank you.